Okay, subscribe if you like my videos and you want more and you want to know when they're released. That'll give you a message once you subscribe. So today's, we are doing a 4-point crawl, elevated crawl, adding a bird dog into it. Okay, 4-point crawl. My hands and my feet are going to be on the floor. My knees come up. Keep the back flat. Push your shoulders to your hips so your lats are activated. And then slowly crawl forward. Opposites. Get yourself set. Opposites extend out. Closer your feet are, or your knees are to the floor, the harder it gets and the better it gets, meaning more effective.